We all know that Xiaomi loves its MIUI, but in 2017 the company launched Mi A1, which was launched under the Android One program. So the phone did not have MIUI but stock Android running out of the box. This was definitely a big surprise. The phone was a huge success and the company did the same last year by launching two Android One phones, the Xiaomi Mi A2 and Mi A2 Lite. Now the Mi A2 was a pretty good phone but lacked basic things like the headphone jack, expandable storage and a good battery. It did have a superb camera and pure stock Android experience though. You might have heard the rumors that Xiaomi is launching the recently launched CC9 series phones globally as Mi A3 and Mi A3 Lite, but it looks like that's not going to happen. Today we got to know that Xiaomi Mi A3 and Mi A3 Lite both are different from the CC9 and CC9e, at least in terms of the processors. While the Xiaomi Mi A3 has Snapdragon 730 processor, the Xiaomi Mi A3 Lite is getting the Snapdragon 675 processor. This means both these Android phones will be even more powerful than the Xiaomi CC9 and CC9e that respectively have Snapdragon 710 and 665 processors. Now it is worth mentioning that Snapdragon 730 is the same processor that powers the Redmi K20, which is launching in India on July 17. So it would be interesting to see if Xiaomi launches the Mi A3 at the same price as that of Redmi K20 in India or at a higher price. We already know that the Xiaomi Mi A3 has the codename Bamboo Sprout and the Mi A3 Lite has the codename Cosmos Sprout. Just for your information, every Android One phone has a codename with Sprout in it. Now while the processors are going to be different from the CC9 series, it is most likely that the design would be the same. So we would most likely have a glass and metal build, a triple camera setup on the back with the primary 48 megapixel camera, an in-display fingerprint scanner, an AMOLED display and hopefully headphone jack this time unlike last year's Mi A2. Moreover, both the phones are expected to launch with 4030 mAh battery, which is again a good thing since the battery was one of the major cons of last year's Xiaomi Mi A2. So now that we know that Xiaomi Mi A3 and Mi A3 Lite are launching soon, are you going to buy the Mi A3 when it launches or going to buy the Redmi K20? Also, do let me know what do you prefer, stock Android or MIUI in this poll right here. As always, I will catch you in the next one.